Hi everybody, this is Mr. Silva with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Dark Knight Batman silhouette decal. This decal is very popular. Batman has a lot of fans, including myself of course. Later on this video I will show you a couple of eBay sellers that are making a good money with this decal. For first-time watchers, I make videos every week about how to make money selling vinyl decals. You can subscribe to my channel now using the button below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let me show you now the two eBay sellers that are selling these Batman decals like hotcakes. This is the first one. Look at this guy. He already sold 300 units. Price is a little low, but come on folks, who doesn't want $900 in his pocket? Considering the decal is very easy to make, the design is not complicated at all. It will take you 5 minutes the most to make this decal. Also, the listing needs a lot of improvements. It only has one picture and it looks blurry, it looks so bad. Let's look at the other seller. Wow, this seller has 621 units sold so far. The price is great, $8.99 per decal. This guy is killing it. We're looking at over $5,000 made with only this decal. That's definitely a lot of money. The listing needs some improvements. It has more pictures, but they're not so good. If you list this same design and make some improvements to the listing, I'm pretty sure that you can sell many units and you can make good money. So what are you all waiting for? Go ahead and start making money. You don't need a fancy place or a huge warehouse. You can do it from home. It's simple as that. So go for it. Just remember this, fellas. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.